Hi guys, how are you doing? I'm Webologist, and in this video we are going to know, is ChatGPT good enough to code as a front-end developer or not? So let's get through in it. So as far as I am using the Telegram bot of ChatGPT, I guess it is more straightforward. So let's ask our question in this bot. So I just write HTML and CSS codes of a portfolio website. Okay, and I guess we just have to wait a while, and it takes time, so let's wait. So finally ChatGPT answered our question, and it took just a minute, and let's see what ChatGPT proffered to us. In the first line, ChatGPT wrote, as an AI language model, I can provide you with a basic HTML and CSS code for a portfolio website. Here's an example. So let's see what is the basic HTML and codes, in the aspect of ChatGPT. For the HTML code, we just have some very basic HTML code. And as far as I have opened my VS Code before, I just have to copy my HTML code and just paste it in my HTML file in VS Code. And I do the same for CSS. So I just copy and okay. And in the last line, ChatGPT wrote, note that is just a basic example and you will need to customize it to fit your needs. Good luck with your portfolio website. Okay, good job. It was great. And so let's check the code. Oh, surprisingly, ChatGPT used the external CSS. It was great. Come on, good job. And in the HTML code, we have a header, my portfolio, we have nav section, good job, great. We have main section, and we have a form like name, email, message, very basic form, and a button. And surprisingly, we have a footer. So let's just go live. So as you're seeing, ChatGPT proffered us a very basic website, as it said before. So in this website, we have some sections like about me. Hi, my name is John Doe and I'm a front-end developer based in New York City. I have experience in HTML, CSS and JavaScript and React. Okay, good job, John. And in the other section, we have projects. John had 2 projects, like project 1 and project 2. And in the last part, we have contact me. You can contact John with this form, and this form have name, email, and message. Okay, and I have a message for John, so I just write, please subscribe to my channel, John. Okay, and we have a footer, and so thank you all guys for watching the whole video. As you have seen, ChatGPT is not rigorous yet to just be replaced as a front-end developer, so I guess we can work more, and ChatGPT cannot be replaced instead of us. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment below. Love you all guys.